In this video I'll show you a ring light, an interesting light from IKEA, and it's this one. It's in the gaming section, so if you're using gaming accessories, this is one of them. And I don't know, this light flickering, it's probably from the lights above, from the illumination in the space here, but I wasn't sure. I thought at some point that it's from the light itself, but I believe the light itself is pretty good. I think the quality is decent. It's 30 euro, so it could be cheap or expensive if you think about it, but really good lights are expensive. I'm not talking about the cheapest ring lights, but good quality light that has nice colors when you use it for videos. So yeah, I tried. It looks interesting. At this point I noticed the flickering while making the video. There was so much flickering. Okay, let's try that. This is me on this light. Something like this. Not sure. Flickers a bit. Color looks okay. This, I believe it's okay. The light doesn't flicker, but you could try it, and it's called Lanespelare. It's 29.99 euro, and it even has an adapter for a mobile, so that's interesting. It has a mobile phone mount and the light itself, so it's like a vlogging kit for the desktop. It's interesting how IKEA is adapting to the market, and they actually started to have some nice desks, especially standing desks and adjustable desks. And I have a cup from them for juice and water. It's pretty nice. I hope they make more products like this for gamers and streamers and YouTubers. I hope they do even have some interesting new accessories. Lanespelare. I would be curious what it means. I know IKEA has names that are similar to Swedish words. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you.